The Instant Pot Duo Crisp 6.5 quart model stands out as a true all-in-one cooker, handling everyday tasks from pressure cooking to air frying without needing separate gadgets crowding your counter. Its single integrated lid switches smoothly between moist pressure cooking and dry air frying, so you can go from tender to crispy in the same pot with almost no fuss. The built-in Wi-Fi and companion app add real value with guided recipes and remote control that help you nail timing and settings even if you are not an experienced cook. For busy weeknights, it is impressive how quickly it turns out meals that would normally take hours, while still delivering deeply developed flavors and textures. The air frying performance is especially strong, giving a satisfying crunch with far less oil than a deep fryer and enough capacity to feed a typical family in one batch. Cleanup is straightforward thanks to the dishwasher-safe inner pot and accessories, and a thoughtful safety system with clear steam release controls makes the machine feel reassuring to use.